Getting started in investing has never been easier. There are now so many options for buying stocks. Just because there are options though, doesn't mean that you don't have to do your research. When you first start investing, there are a lot of things that may be entirely new to you. So let's start with the basics, shall we? What is a stock? A stock is a stake in a living, breathing business. When you buy a stock, what you're really buying is a part of that business. In order to raise funds, companies issue stocks for sale to the general public, which are then traded as the value rises and falls. In the short term, a stock price moves based on the opinion of the crowd, the people looking to buy or sell. When there are more people looking to buy than sell, the price goes up. When there are more people looking to sell than buy, the price goes down. This is usually fickle, because the news of the day influences what the world thinks about certain stocks. Over the long term, however, a company's true value is reflected in its price. That's why time, more than anything else, is the critical ingredient of successful investing. As part owner, you're entitled to a share of that company's profits. You also have a say in how the business is run. How much of those profits you have claim to and how much influence you have depends on the amount of stock you own relative to the total number of shares issued. Stocks are the backbone of a good investment portfolio and have been proven to outperform every other form of investment in the long run. Ticker symbols. A ticker, or stock symbol, is a unique 3, 4, or 5-letter abbreviation assigned to every public stock for identification purposes. Think of tickers as nicknames. Sometimes they can be exactly the same as the brand name, like IBM. Sometimes they can even be clever, like Harley Davidson choosing the ticker symbol HOG. In fact, a 2007 academic study actually showed that stocks with creative ticker symbols tend to have higher returns than the overall market. This might not be the wisest investment strategy though, so make sure to always research the companies you're investing in before putting in your hard-earned cash. That should be more than enough to help you understand exactly what a stock is. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to understand the markets and even more time for you to see results. Have anything else you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments. As always, we've linked all of our resources that can help you get started investing in the video description, including a link to the free MyWallSt app, where you can see some of the stocks that we believe will beat the market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more of our investment content as soon as it's released. Until then, happy investing.